I'm here outside the Assam Secretariat, which is also known as the Janta Bhavan, and you can see the crowd here at the gates. This is, as per the Assam government's directive, a precautionary step being taken at this point of time. Only 100 people being allowed to enter the Secretariat at any given point of time. These are the precautionary steps that the Assam government has started as a preventive measure against coronavirus. You can see people gathering here. So what the officials told us is that starting today, only 100 people will be allowed to enter the Secretariat. So they are restricting people, keeping account. Lot of police presence also here and government officials ensuring that there are no large gatherings inside the Secretariat.
সাধারণ জনতার বাবে কিবা আছে নাই নাই এইকেইদিন এক্টিভ পাই কোনো দিন ডাইরেক্ট মানে 100 দিছে আৰু অহাকালি দিব 100